All right. So, any questions that come to your mind after listening that interview? No questions?
No, not really.
Yes, that person was using the terms like Jira and Relay.
Really good.
Yes,
Good. So that's it.
and
Mm-hmm.
another thing, Waterfall and Agile,
Right.
differentiation between that,
Mm-hmm.
and all our things are all other things we gone through that, but these two terms I just confused about them.
Okay. All right. So let's mm, go over those that they were using and you haven't heard them before or you're not clear about them. Okay.
Yes, and
So,
user stories
mm-hmm. User
in
stories.
Agile.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That sounds good. So user stories, we will go over the user stories too. Okay.
Is it?
Sorry, you said something?
Yeah. This one question can I ask?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Go ahead.
Yeah. Is there any difference between functional analyst and the system analyst, or is it the same thing?
Functional analyst and the system analyst, you can say that might be the basically like the same role. Okay, but again, that depends on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it depends on that. Okay, all right. So let's make quick. You can see my screen? Not yet. Are you able to mm, see my screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So the Rayleigh and Jira that you guys are hearing about, like in that interview. So these are two tools. Like right now, there's like a you can see a tool on the screen that is Rally, and Rally is basically requirement management and project management tool, basically. Okay, so
Is this free?
that tool is it is a membership based tool, but organizations do basically have that, but you guys will have access to the tool.
So we don't have to buy it. I will just get
No,
the.
no, you don't have to buy it. Like a organization wherever you would be basically like working, you will get basically access from there. Okay.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. So it would be basically the organization, they will have it. Okay. But I am gonna get you guys basically access. So uh, mm, send me your email IDs. Okay. Just in the chat box. Okay. So email ID is in the chat box, and I will mm, basically get you. So all right. So at the Sham. So first will be the rally.
I sent it to you on the personal chat.
Okay.
Oh, you can see it.
Yeah, I got that. Uh, um, all right. And paragraph. All right. So you're gonna get that, and then so you are gonna receive an email in which you will have basically the link, and it will ask you to choose your username and password. Okay. So check your email, and you will basically, so your email will be your user ID. Okay. And then the password would be the password that you will select.
Why my last name is Azim?
Okay, sorry. Uh, and-
It's actually Khan. My middle name is Ahmed. My last name is Khan. Third.
okay, all right, there you go. Okay, all right, so you guys received that email. Check your emails, and
Not yet.
you would have checked your like spam folder if not yet.
Yeah, I'll check that one as well.
And what
I
about
received.
you received it? And
Yeah, I received it. I'm trying to make a password.
okay, yep. So your username will be your email, and the password would be. And if you check again, if you haven't received it, so I will
No, I have not received yet.
haven't received yet. So okay.
What are we supposed to do about, like, they're asking us a question, what do you do at your organization? I focus on contributing work the team goals. I organize and track the work for a team. I focus on the big picture.
Yeah, you can. I'll focus on the big picture.
Okay. That's gonna be like the program manager, portfolio manager, director, or executive.
No, no. Then your role would be kind of a product owner. Okay. So that is
Oh,
a
product
business.
owner. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's the second one. I organize and track the work for the team.
Right. So that is the product owner. That is a BA in Agile.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I haven't received yet.
Okay. Details of the user. So it's sham.rahman@gmail.com.
Yeah.
This is not. Okay. Check if you have received now.
Hmm. Hmm.
All right, so you guys are in.
Yes, I'm
Yes.
in.
Okay. All right. So here on the basically like left side, right in front of Rally, these are basically projects. Okay. That's like Agile Institute, Nat, American Reality Group, Digital, Planet Music. These are the projects. Different basically projects you can say, or products you can say. Okay. And if you select one, so these are basically like kind of the container in which like with, if you will select this one, then all items regarding to Agile Institute that will open. So let's like select the Agile Institute first. Okay. And then you might have like on the side these buttons: home, track, home, plan, track, quality, reports. Or you have on the side or on the top?
I have it on the top, same as you.
Okay, all right then. So yeah, so whom if you'll click, it will like a dashboard, and the first it will might ask you kind of select that dashboard. But if you will like select the dashboard, it will bring up all that you know. So these are the requirements that are being documented, like and these are the user stories basically.
I have nothing on mine. Like if I go to home and then the page.
Okay, so if you will go to home and share your screen, show me.
Okay. See, home dashboard.
Dashboard, yeah. So dashboard, nothing, because it has not been. Go down. Okay, go down. Story hierarchy. Okay, go down. So this is basic. So your dashboard has been. Mine is basically the customized. Okay, so that's why
Oh,
you are not able to see like the way I'm looking at. So it can be turned into that. So on basically on the right side of the dashboard, there's a setting icon.
this one.
Yeah. Okay. So here you can change layout and view full screen, are different options like. So change, if you change layout and the first select, if you will select first, then it will be like a you know all right, and then go again that change layout. No, not at the train layout. Okay. All right. Then yeah, the layout is changed. Okay. You can delete this. Like yeah, and then organizing. Getting started with the organizer. There is like this one also had a setting button on the right side here. Okay. So apps, delete apps, and settings. Go to settings. Okay. So these are basic and keep going down. Okay.
Should I
So
like delete this at least? I
yeah,
don't
you
want to
can
post
delete
anything.
that. So basically, like I deleted these apps. These are the apps. I kept that app, which is basically giving me overview of that like this is the story hierarchy, but I had an overview which is basically, so this is a kind of custom customized board.
Okay.
Okay. So
Should I
if you
stop
will,
sharing my screen?